Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mamat Bari. I'm from class D. So, hi everyone. Let's start our discussion. Today, we're going to talk about the difference between a foreign language and a second language, and also why English is considered a foreign language in Indonesia. Menurut saya, a foreign language is a language that people don't use in their daily life. Kita belajar bahasa itu hanya di sekolah, bukan di rumah, bukan di lingkungan sekitar, dan bukan juga untuk berbicara sehari-hari. For example, in Indonesia, we learn English in class, but after school, most of us go back to using bahasa Indonesia or our local language. So, English not part of our daily communication. Sedangkan second language itu berbeda. It's a language that people use more often in daily life. Misalnya di Singapura atau di India, English digunakan di sekolah, di kantor, bahkan di rumah. People used to it communication, to study, and even for official work. That's why in these countries, English is a second language, not a free one. Now, if we look at Indonesia, English doesn't have that same function. Even though many people learn English, it's not used for government public service or daily conversation. Kita pakai bahasa Indonesia sebagai bahasa utama dan kadang bahasa daerah juga, seperti Jawa, Sunda, atau Makassar. Now, if we look at Indonesian English, doesn't have that same function. Even though many people learn English, it's not used for government public service or daily conversation. So, in my opinion, English is a foreign language in Indonesia because we don't use it even daily, but it is still one of the most important language to learn.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Firi Rensha from class D. So, I agree with Itmam. Menurut artikel sejarah bahasa Inggris, bahasa asing adalah bahasa yang tidak digunakan sebagai alat komunikasi di negara itu. Justru bahasa kedua dipakai bersama dengan bahasa utama. Nah, kalau di Indonesia, bahasa Inggris diajarkan di sekolah sejak dari SD sampai ke tingkat yang lebih tinggi. Nah, tapi belum menjadi bahasa yang digunakan di kehidupan sehari-hari. Jadi walaupun penting, bahasa Inggris tetap dianggap sebagai foreign language, bukan second language. Mungkin itu saja dari saya. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yes, that's true. Indonesia, most people still speak Indonesian or local language, such as Japanese, Sundans, or Makassar in their daily lives. English is not used in ordinary conversations, so it's not our second language. However, I believe even though English is not our second language, it's very important for us to master it. English is an international language. It helps us in education, technology, tourism, and sugar crisis. If we can speak English well, we can communicate with people from other countries, understand global information, and gain more opportunities. So, even though it's considered in foreign language, English still plays a major role in Indonesia. Although English remains a foreign language, technical Indonesia its functions and in fact serve as a modern lingua franca. Mastering English is highly strategic skill in speaking, preparing Indonesia individuals to cooperate, collaborate, and thrive on the global stage without losing their local cultural identity. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andini from class D. I agree with Robi. Di beberapa negara seperti Singapura, English jadi second language karena digunakan di sekolah, kantor, dan pemerintahan. Tapi di Indonesia berbeda. English hanya dipelajari, belum digunakan secara umum dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Walau begitu, makin banyak orang sekarang belajar English karena sadar manfaatnya. Maybe one day, English bisa jadi second language kalau penggunaannya makin luas di masyarakat. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.